Hello friends, today I am going to show you Samsung Galaxy A23 5G. As you can see here, this is the 8GB model, light blue color, and it has 128GB of storage. This phone comes with blur-free camera which is a 50 megapixel which has optical image stabilization and a Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 processor which is manufactured by TSMC, and it has got a 5000 mAh battery which supports 25 watt fast charging. Other important features are such like this. As you can see here, it has a full rectangular rounded corners display and it is IPS display. It's not an AMOLED display. The price mentioned here is 30,990, but you can get it for around 20,000 if you have a good deal. So why wait, my friends? Let's open this up and check this out what we get inside the box. Before that, I would like to say that I had to tear this up because I bought this product from Flipkart and they have an open box facility that you have to take, so that for the safety purposes, whether you get a phone or something else. So they have teared it off and we will open this up and you can check this out. So inside the box we have the phone here. You can see this is the phone and it looks just like A73, the A73 that I have unboxed earlier in my channel. You can check that video too. We'll keep this aside. Inside the box we get this is a 1.7 ampere. That means this is a 10 watt or 15 watt charger. This is a 15 watt USB-A to Type-C charger. So we do get a cable here. Yes, this is a A to C charger. As you can see, this is the A to C charger. These are the things that we get inside this box. So let's open this up and check this out. We'll slide this phone out like this and we'll see. Okay, it's a bit tight. Okay, so the first look is always will be my camera. So the camera doesn't have a silver ring to it. You can see this here. This camera doesn't have a silver ring to it. We do have the speaker opening here. You can see there is a speaker opening here for your earpiece. On the left hand side we get the SIM tray, and on the right hand side we get the power button which also acts as a fingerprint sensor. We do have the volume up and down button here. Below we get a 3.5 mm headphone jack, microphone, cutout, USB-C port, and a loudspeaker. On top we get another microphone cutout which is for your noise cancellation. On the back we get the 50 megapixel camera, and the other one is a 5 megapixel camera and two 2 megapixel camera, these one and this one. Those are for your macro shots and depth field. So the 50 megapixel camera has a 1.8 aperture and it is a wide angle camera, and 5 megapixel, which is the below one, it is a the top one is a ultra wide angle camera which captures around 123 degrees of features. So the front camera, if you come here, this is 8 megapixel and 2.2 inch width. So this is the phone. As you can see here, we get Snapdragon, and I got this phone for because it has the Snapdragon processor, and you know that Samsung phones are very good with Snapdragon processor, but condition to that those processors are made by TSMC. Do remember that, my friends. So let me skip this part of the phone getting booted up for the first time. As you can see, it is the first boot. It is taking time. So this phone doesn't have Wi-Fi 7 or Wi-Fi 6. It has Wi-Fi 5. And we do got the Bluetooth 5.1 with the LE feature, and we do get other sensors like the gyroscope, compass, and accelerometer, but we don't have a proximity sensor. That has a virtual proximity sensor which is carried out by the camera, I suppose. That I will check when I put the SIM inside the box. So this is the phone, my friends, and we will boot this up for the first time and we'll check it out what we get. So I have to insert a SIM, I suppose, so we'll do that later on. So as you can see here, these are the end results and diagnosis. Yes, I agree. Okay, we'll go next. And we get choose a Wi-Fi. Okay, we have to give a Wi-Fi here. Oh, it's asking for the Wi-Fi, so we will skip this now. Okay, skip this. Let me skip this part actually. So the first question it asks whether you want to install the Samsung tutor or not. So we will keep it okay, we don't need the tutor, but let's remove it and put next here. It is asking for a Samsung account. We don't have internet connection right now. We'll skip this part. And okay, you want a light or a dark output. So let us check the dark one. Yes, this is the dark one. So as you can see, the screen is getting good amount of dark. It doesn't feel like it is AMOLED display or LCD display. Mostly what happens in the PLS LCD displays, you will see a white kind of tint to the blacks, but here the black is totally black, so it's a very good shine. So let's go to for if you have a TFT LCD display instead of the PLS display. So let's check this out. And okay, we have finished it. So TFT LCD, I think it's a bad deal, and PLS LCDs are very good. So experience Samsung services. Okay, I agree to that. So voila, the phone is turned on. So as you can see, this is the normal setup that we take. So what all the apps we get out of the box, that you can see here. These are the apps that we get out of the box. I haven't connected to Wi-Fi, as you can see. No Wi-Fi, no SIM card, nothing, and I have not connected to anywhere. So these are the apps that we get out of the box. So we'll check what is the RAM here. Device details, RAM, and you can see out of the box it uses only 4.6 GB of RAM, and it has a 8 GB of RAM storage. So as you can see here, it is mentioned here, it has 8 GB of RAM, and also we have got the RAM plus option. So I always keep this on because it helps a lot, because if you take an extra 8 GB of RAM, it will take from your storage, but your phone will never lag or anything. And for normal users, this phone is very snappier, as I can feel it. The first boot was a bit slow, and this out of the box, the software that we get here is 1 March 2023 Google Play and One UI 5.1, and it is Android patch May 2023, and you can see this is Android 13, based out of Android 13. One UI 5.1. This is the full version One UI, my friends. This is not the Android Core or something. So you do have the features like the Samsung's best features, which are call recordings. Yes, you do have call recording features. Yes, you do have the call recording features. Yes, auto call recording. This doesn't makes the noise or says the alert to the callers that you are recording the call or something. This does have that, and there are some features which are missing here, but I think we do have everything here. Mostly, yes, it has a lot of, it's similar to the full based One UI. So that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts about this product, feel free to ask in the comment section below, and do subscribe my channel for further videos about this product. I will be sharing two more videos about this. One is for the tempered glass installation by Spigen, and other one is Spigen's case video of this product. So stay safe, my friends. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.